In this lesson, we will see together the construction of a modal periphrase. So, of course, the question is, what is une periphrase? So, a periphrase is a figure of speech. It consists of replacing a word by its definition or by a longer but equivalent expression. So in other words, it consists of saying with several words what could be expressed by a single word or by several other words. So this is une periphrase, and definitely the concept here is a figure of speech, so expressing one concept in a different way. So, the construction of a modal periphrase. A modal periphrase manifests the speaker's view of the action. So this is the important thing about it. So, the probability will be introduced with the verbs pouvoir or devoir. And so we'll see some examples. Elle peut être suisse, meaning by that, c'est possible qu'elle soit suisse. Elle peut être suisse. Il doit être 21h, meaning by that, c'est possible qu'il soit 21h. Il doit être 21h. So as you can see in these cases, we're using pouvoir and devoir to express something that might be possible, it's probable. Elle peut être suisse, il doit être 21h. So if we want to express an action almost accomplished, it will be possible to use faillir or manquer de. And normally you will use them in the past. J'ai failli réussir cet examen, implied, mais je n'ai pas réussi. J'ai failli réussir cet examen. And then let's see now with manquer de. J'ai manqué de rater mon bus, implied, mais j'ai pu le prendre. J'ai manqué de rater mon bus. So as you can see, in these two cases, we're using faillir and then manquer de in the past tense to express this concept of action almost accomplished. J'ai failli réussir cet examen. J'ai manqué de rater mon bus.